waiting for the splash show.
Splash.
Let's check it out. What did you think it's gonna be?
Maybe they will splash the water into us. Let's see how.
Alright, let's dive into the western coast of the United States. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of California, sea life.
Alright, Philip. I'll let know again.
Is there a problem?
Yes, he don't want to go into the water.
It's like you, they complain a lot.
He said there's something big, something scary in the pool.
What? There's something in the pool? Oh, okay, we'll check for you. Well, the water's very clear. Philip, there's nothing here, don't worry. Okay, I'll check this side, huh? There's also nothing here. Philip, there's nothing. What? You don't believe me? Yeah, there's nothing inside. Okay, let's show them how fast you can swim. You ready, Philip? Let's go. Shark. Are you sure a shark can fit inside? Come on, Philip, stop pulling. Ready. Let's go. Look at those two powerful front flippers propelling through the water. And right now, Philip's gonna show you another way of moving across the stage with a belly slide. Very nice, Philip. Alright, now, sea lions are known to have very good eyesight. In fact, this is used in search and rescue missions in the US. Philip, being a show-off, says that he can search and rescue as well. So, he said he's going to search and rescue his favorite toy. My job is to toss it in the water so that he's going to find it. So let's see if he can do it. Alright, he's going to let it go all the way down. Okay, we good. Philip, you ready? Let's go.
Right there.
Invulnerable.
Grabe, I'm tired.
He has got it. Look at him. Great job, Philip. That's right. Never give up. And here he is. Yeah, good boy, Philip. Now, the reason why sea lions have such excellent vision in the water, please focus your attention to the glass panel right now. Don't worry, it's going to go all the way to that side as well. Very nice, Philip. Now keep your eyes focused on Philip and you realize that he keeps his eyes wide open at the water. Now sea lions have a very special membrane which covers their eyes, enabling them to keep their eyes wide open underwater. Now, the series of twists and turns he's doing in the water right now, we call it a corkscrew behavior. Now it's a good time to notice that the sea lion has a torpedo-shaped body. Now this enables them to propel through the water at very high speeds. Very nice indeed, Philip. Very agile, very smooth as well. What we're going to do is we're going to test his sense of self-control. We're going to ask him to lie down and then place his favorite fish right in front of him. The challenge is he's not supposed to take it until he hears a signal from Raven, which is one single clap. We are going to be naughty. We're going to distract him. So on the count of 3, let's clap. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Naughty, he didn't hardly. Okay, wait, one more time. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3! Wow, all of you very obedient, very well trained. I'm just kidding, the team. There he goes. Excellent job of self-control, and the reason why he waited. Look at that. Many more fish to come just by being so patient. No? What are you going to do? Woo! Jackpot! That's right, and that is truly intelligent. Alright, now, besides all of this, Philip has a very important role. He is the ambassador for all his marine mammal friends in the wild, and he has a very special message he wants to share. His friends in the wild are facing many threats. What is the first one, Philip? Yep. Do you recognize that? These are plastic bags. To you, it's plastic bag. To a sea lion, they mistake it as food. So when they try to eat it, they will accidentally choke on these plastic bags. Another threat sea lions face are fishing nets and fishing lines which are cut and left floating across the ocean floor. Now these sea lions are very playful, and when these fishing lines get wrapped around their flipper, what happens?
Mayo, why so clever?
Broken flipper, very hard to move around. There is something more severe. Now when these fishing nets get wrapped around the necks of the sea lion, you want to show us what happens, Philip?
Wow. Why you clever?
Oh my
He
god.
takes it very serious. He even needs to stick out his tongue for effect. I think he's an excellent actor. What do you guys think? Superstar, can I hear you? Yeah, there we go. Now we've shared with you the threats. Now we're going to tell you what are the possible solutions to reduce the amount of waste that we put out. Why don't we bring reusable items like this grocery bag? Now Philip loves to bring this around to shop for his favorite fish, and on this bag is his best friend Pedro. We promise him he'll get a bag of his own one day. Okay, now Singapore is really hot. We need to drink a lot of water. So instead of buying repeated bottles of mineral water bottles, why don't we bring our own water bottle just like what Philip is modeling as well? Now there are many water coolers around the Singapore Zoo, one of which is just right up there at the amphitheater. Okay, so we can't help but use plastic items says that he's going to stay on stage for a little while more for a very special photo session. So for those of you with number card, listen out for your numbers called by the photographers here. Follow their instructions. And for the rest of you, thank you for coming. We hope to see